Find the slope of the line containing each pair of points. If it is undefined, state this. The points we're looking at are -5, 6 and -1, -3. To find the slope, we calculate rise over run, which means we subtract the y coordinates, -3 minus 6, and in the denominator we subtract the x coordinates, -1 minus -5. Be careful to write the negative signs in correctly. In the numerator, -3 minus 6 is -3 plus -6, which is -9. In the denominator, -1 minus -5 is -1 plus 5, which is 4. This does not simplify, so we can write that the slope m is -9/4.